Fenny's World of Fun and Mischief. Stories prepared by English with Miss Julia. Fenny the ferret woke up early in his warm little bed. He stretched his long body and yawned quietly. The morning light made him curious and excited. He was ready to explore his world again. Fenny loved to sniff everything around him. His tiny nose helped him discover new smells. He followed a scent across the room, and it led him to a forgotten toy under the sofa. Ferrets like Fenny enjoy hiding things. He carried his toy to a secret corner. He tucked it carefully under a blanket, and then he looked proud of his clever hiding place. Fenny enjoyed digging in soft places. He scratched gently at a pile of cushions. To him, it felt like building a tunnel. He imagined he was underground on an adventure. Sometimes Fenny moved very quickly. He darted from one side of the room to the other. His energy seemed endless. It made everyone laugh watching him play. Fenny also loved to play chase. He followed moving shadows on the wall. Each jump made him more excited. He never wanted the game to end. After playing, Fenny needed a rest. He curled into a small, soft ball. Ferrets sleep for many hours during the day. Fenny drifted into a peaceful nap. Later, he woke up full of energy again. He stretched and shook his head. It was time for another adventure. He ran off to explore a new corner. Fenny liked exploring small spaces. He squeezed between furniture easily. His long body helped him fit anywhere. He felt like a tiny explorer. He discovered a box on the floor. Inside, there were interesting smells. He climbed in without hesitation. The box became his new playground. Fenny loved collecting little objects. He found a sock and dragged it away. He added it to his growing collection. This made him feel very happy. Ferrets are very playful animals. Fenny bounced and twisted his body. This funny movement is called a weasel war dance. It showed how excited he was. Sometimes Fenny made soft noises. He chirped and squeaked happily. These sounds meant he was enjoying himself. They were his way of communicating. Fenny also enjoyed gentle company. He liked being near people he trusted. He would sit quietly beside them. It made him feel safe and calm. During feeding time, Fenny became very alert. He knew exactly when food was coming. He waited patiently but excitedly. Eating was one of his favorite moments. If you are enjoying the story thus far, Please click the like button and do consider subscribing to our channel. This way we may alert you with our next story. After eating, he cleaned himself carefully. He licked his paws and fur. Ferrets like to stay clean. Fenny took pride in his grooming. Fenny was very curious about sounds. He listened carefully to every noise. A small sound could catch his attention. He always wanted to investigate. Sometimes he climbed onto low furniture. He balanced carefully as he moved. From above, he could see more. It made him feel like an adventurer. Fenny loved soft blankets. He burrowed deep into them. It felt warm and safe inside. He could stay there for hours. He often changed his hiding place. No 2 days were ever the same. This kept his life exciting. Fenny loved variety. Fenny enjoyed gentle play with others. He rolled and tumbled happily. Play helped him stay active. It was an important part of his day. Sometimes he paused to observe quietly. He watched everything around him. This helped him learn about his world. He was always thinking. Fenny's habits made him unique. He followed routines but loved surprises. Each day felt new and interesting. He never got bored. In the afternoon, he became sleepy again. He found a quiet place to rest. Ferrets need lots of sleep. Fenny closed his eyes peacefully. When he woke up, it was evening. He became active once more. This was his favorite time of the day. The world felt exciting again. Fenny explored with confidence. He remembered familiar places, but he still searched for something new. Adventure was always calling him. He enjoyed gentle interactions. He approached slowly and carefully. Trust was important to him. He built it over time. Fenny sometimes played alone. He didn't always need company. His imagination kept him busy. He created his own fun. He loved soft textures under his paws. Blankets and cushions were perfect. They made him feel comfortable. He returned to them often. Fenny's life was full of small joys. Every discovery made him happy. He appreciated small things. This made his life special. At night, Fenny slowed down. His energy began to fade. He searched for a cozy place. He prepared to sleep. He curled up tightly in his bed. His body stayed warm and safe. He let out a soft sigh. Sleep came quickly. Fenny dreamed of tunnels and games. His day replayed in his mind. He imagined new adventures. Tomorrow would bring more fun. Each day in Fenny's life was different, but his habits stayed the same. He explored, played, and rested. This was the life of a happy ferret. And so Fenny continued his journey, always curious, always playful. Every day was a new story, and his adventures never truly ended. Thank you for reading this story with us. If you enjoyed it, remember to click the like button and please consider subscribing to our channel. This way we may alert you of our new stories. We look forward to seeing you then.